baby's so silly. Can you do it again? I think I distracted her with the camera. Do it again. What is she doing to you, Maddie? What is she doing to you, Maddie? Oh, she's not spitting up. She's drooling. That's drool. She's teething. She didn't spit up. That's just drool, right?
No. No.
No, no, no. Okay, I'll get away. You guys are silly. You squeezed her foot? Did you squeeze your foot? Just be gentle, okay? Gentle. Why don't you try tickling her foot? Can you tickle her foot? No? You gonna turn that off? She likes it when you make that sound. Can you make that sound for her again? That wah wah or whatever it is you do? You silly. That drool. Somebody's got some drool. What? What's wrong?
This is broken.
It's broken? It's not broken. It's just, that's why you can't pull on it that hard, honey. Okay? No, Maddie. Oh. Don't worry about it. Wah, wah. See, I don't have the same effect. Amelia, let go of her foot. Can you do the wah, wah thing one more time? You know how to make her laugh. You're making Maddie laugh. Gentle. All right. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye.